Hi, I'm iMarley. Pictured here is a VHS tape I've had in my collection since I was a wee lad, and today we'll be looking at all the shots that are on this tape. However, we will not be looking at the cartoons on the tape itself, as contrary to what it says on the back of the box, the tape has greatly degraded in quality, and the prints that the tape used are just as poor. So, all these cartoons are in public domain, so there's probably not going to be much trouble in watching them now. The first cartoon on the tape is A Tale of Two Kitties, a Looney Tunes / Merry Melodies cartoon released on November 21st, 1942. It was the first Looney Tunes / Merry Melodies cartoon to feature Tweety Bird, as well as the first to feature the duo Babbitt and Costello.
There's nothing to it.
I won't do it, I won't do it.
Wait a minute.
I don't want no part.
An interesting thing with Babbitt and Costello, as presented here, is that they are cats in this particular cartoon. Other Looney Tunes / Merry Melodies cartoons will either have them as dogs or mice.
Point?
The premise of A Tale of Two Kitties is that Babbitt and Costello want to catch Tweety Bird, who is resting in his nest in a tree near a barn house.
You mean a poor little dincy wincy, itsy bitsy defenseless boy?
Yes.
Let me at him! I'll get him, Babbitt! Gangway, I'll mortalize him!
Babbitt hires Costello to catch Tweety, first by having him climb up the tree's nest via a ladder,
I'll show him! Hey, Babbitt! Look! Stilts! Help! Babbitt! Here I go again! Catch me! Help! Hey, I'm too young to die! Help! Save me! Help! Hey, how'd you get away up here?
then having him jump up the tree's nest via springs,
What? Don't do it! Hey, Babbitt! Oh, Babbitt! Babbitt!
What's the matter now?
I'm afraid of the dark.
Well, I'll let you out then.
I thought I tore a putty tab. I did. I tore a putty tab.
then having him launched up the tree's nest via explosives,
You mean I'll get it in the end?
Yeah, and you'll get a big bang out of it, too.
Well, that sure takes a load off of my mind.
then having him flown to tree's nest via an improvised hand glider.
Contact.
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 Hello? Fourth Interceptor Command? I see an unidentified object flying around my widow head.
Is there an insurance salesman in the house?
Long story short, the duo do not catch Tweety Bird, and whereas Tweety becomes one of the most iconic characters in the Looney Tunes / Merry Melodies canon, Babbitt and Costello fade into obscurity.
Out. Total blackout.
Hey, now's our chance. Come on.
Turn out those lights!
The next cartoon is titled Two for the Zoo, released on February 21st, 1941. This is a Gabby cartoon, Gabby being one of the principal characters in the 1939 animated feature film Gulliver's Travels, which I may have to talk about at some point.
All's well, what's up, boy? Never mind that club. All's well. See the head right ahead. There's a moonlit. Come on, have fun. Oh!
In this short, Gabby takes it upon himself to deliver an animal to the zoo. The animal in question?
Rubberneck kango. Very rare. Hey, what's a kango?
The job initially seems easy for Gabby, appearing as though he only needs to transport a baby kango. As it turns out, however, the baby kango belongs to a much bigger mother kango, who promptly returns the baby to a pouch.
There ain't no animal, big or small, I can't handle. Yes, sir. Why, one time
This sets off a series of shenanigans involving the kangos, culminating in Gabby strangling the baby for all the trouble it's allegedly caused.
Tricks again, eh? Oh, I'll fix you. Come on, roll up. Wise guy, huh? Get big, you runt.
This angers the mother kango, who chases Gabby into a zoo's lion exhibit. A great misfortune for Gabby indeed.
There, see? Oh, wow! Hey, get me out of here!
Succeeding Two for a Zoo is another Gabby cartoon called All's Well. It came out before Two for the Zoo, releasing on January 17th, 1941. In this cartoon, Gabby goes around helping people in the village, one of said people being a baby. However, as Gabby quickly finds out, the baby isn't all too cooperative. Resulting in all sorts of hijinks between Gabby and the baby.
I'll do it if it's the last thing I ever do. Well, that's that. What a rainy day.
The last cartoon on the tape is called Teacher's Pest, released on March 31st, 1950. It is part of the Noveltoons series of cartoons produced by Paramount Pictures, the same company responsible for the Gabby cartoons. In this cartoon, a baby owl is off to his first day of school. However, the evil wolf is out to get him.
Still news. So I'm just starting kindergarten. I'll be graduating soon.
The wolf disguises himself as a teacher and hopes to lure the young owl into his phony schoolhouse. Thankfully for the owl, he's unable to read and starts going the opposite direction of the fake schoolhouse. Thankfully for the wolf, he grabs the owl in the nick of time and starts teaching the owl phony lessons.
With the first lesson. 1, 2, I like you. 3, 4, lock the door.
The owl's mother stops by the school to bring his lunch, but she catches the wolf trying to boil his son alive.
Humidity is killing me. Really it is. Oh, Mother, school is hot stuff. Oh, Junior! It's the wolf!
Hijinks ensue and the mother becomes a damsel in distress, but thankfully the baby owl rescues her and defeats the wolf.
And no food again.
Alright, so on my tier list, I put A Tale of Two Kitties on Life 2 for its entertainment value in introducing one of the most iconic characters in the Looney Tunes canon. I put 2 for the Zoo at high 2 for its entertainment value. Same can be said for All's Well, which I actually reenacted as a little kid. I really enjoyed that cartoon. And upon its photo examination, I actually put Teacher's Pest at Life 2 for being very entertaining. Life tier is the best of the best, and high tier is some of the best, come the nicest stuff. That's all I have to say for this video. I'm out.